Sorry guys, I just disturbed you again.
There.
Like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, today we are in Enfield. We do some steam cleaning here. We're doing all the stonework, all the window sills, balustrade, some brickwork as well. We are 4 here in our team, me, Gabriel, Lorenzo and Aaron. Stay here and watch on our transformation. Thank you.
Aaron.
Hello mate.
Hello champ. How are we doing?
Yeah, good. Yourself?
Yeah, good, thanks. So
Good,
pretty dynamic this morning. We're well on the way here, aren't we? Do you want to just talk through the job? We're just at the front of this property.
Yeah, we're at Eastwick Lodge, and today we're cleaning all the balustrades. As you can see, they're quite filthy behind us. We've got all the way from the top to the bottom. We've got a couple of courses of brick to clean as well, where the green algae and dirt has come up. And also, we're doing the window sills. We've got stone window sills up here as well. They're filthy, absolutely filthy. So we're going to give them a good treat as well.
It's a massive old place, isn't it? Should we have a
come
walk around?
come have a little walk
So
around,
we've got
mate.
Lorenzo there. He's working on the balustrades there.
That's correct, yeah.
So you're just going to be working all around the front today, bit of brickwork, and we've got Dumi at the back. So let's go
and have a little look around the
walk
back.
around, yeah.
So as you can see, how filthy these balustrades are. It's just a build-up of algae, dirt. You've got moss growing on here. So when we're finished with them, they'll look as good as new.
So we'll just go around the side here.
Yeah. So we managed to get a spider around here this morning for access around the back, as you'll see in a minute with Dewey. But like you can see with the window sills here, how bad they are. Just a build-up of algae, dirt. You've got moss growing in here as well, you know. And these are the course of the bricks I was doing where all the algae's built up. So we're going to give them a good steam clean as well. All the edges, as you can see, they're all absolutely filthy. Above there's a 2-course brick line where the algae's growing along here. So we're going to do that. As you can see, the balustrades go all the way around. Absolutely filthy. More window sills. We've got a spider in today, a form of a cherry picker. We've got our man Dumi up here. Number 1 Dumi, we call him, up here on the cherry picker.
So he's just working on the higher sections today, is he?
Yeah, he's working on the higher sections and coming round as much as we can. As you can see, we've got a spider as foot access around here. And we're just working all the way around this building. As you can see, it's a very large building we're dealing with.
All right then, brother. So we've got you and Lorenzo ground floor, and what, Dumi and the Saint Gabriel up
And
top.
Gabriel, yep, doing the top.
Sweet.
Inside the top, you've got the balustrades as well, so Gabriel's the other side up there.
Lovely.
So, and then,
Oh,
yeah,
nice. And how long is it going to take to clean this whole building then?
I reckon we'll get it done in 4 days.
4 days, nice.
3-4 days.
Okay. All right, let's focus on some cleaning then, mate. I'll leave you to it. We're going to head back round the front.
Let's go back round the front, yeah, and I've got some work to do now, so
Let's have a look.
let's go.
Get some satisfying cleaning. You got a little message for the fans, Aaron?
Thank you for watching all our videos and following and giving us the greatest support as possible. Keep following our videos and give us a thumbs up.
And most of all,
Like and subscribe. Much love.
much love. Let's do this.
So far, so good. If you can just pan over here for me, there's two different balustrades there. One's clean on the right-hand side and one's dirty. So yeah, they're coming up really nice. We're not completely finished, but you can see the difference already, the transformations. So with the progress, we're happy so far, mate.
Yeah, no, it's looking good, guys. Looking very good. Let's have a wide shot here. So yeah, you can see that bit there.
Yeah,
to the left.
Just on the right-hand side and the left-hand side, the two differences already.
Chalk and cheese, eh?
Yeah, chalk and cheese.
I hope you enjoy our video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.